Okay, good morning, class, boys and girls. How are you today? So, today is 6th September 2021. Today is Monday. So, as for today, we are going to move into a new chapter. So, let us check it out. So, you are going to refer your textbook, page 75, and after that, we are going to play a game, a simple game, okay? So this is the new chapter. Where were you yesterday? Module 8. Kita akan bergerak ke tajuk seterusnya iaitu Where were you yesterday? Kamu pergi mana semalam? Okay, module 8. So before you read the song, so I want you to look at the vocabulary. Okay? At home. At home. Maksudnya di rumah. Shopping center. Shopping center. Pusat membeli belah. Theater. Theater. In the afternoon. Maksud dia tengah hari. In the evening. Waktu petang. Okay. Where were you yesterday? We were out. We were out. We were out. Out all day. Where were you in the morning? I was at the shopping center. At the shopping center. I was at the shopping center. I was at the shopping center yesterday morning. Where were you in the afternoon? I was at the theater. At the theater. I was at the theater with June. Where were you in the evening? We were at home. We were at home. We were at home yesterday evening. Okay, maksud dia ni dia tanya kamu pergi mana? Kamu kat mana bila pagi? Oh, saya dekat pusat membeli belah. Okay, waktu tengah hari kamu kat mana? Oh, saya pergi teater. Saya pergi ke teater dengan Jun. Okay, waktu petang kamu pergi mana? Oh, kami ada kat rumah pada waktu petang. Okay? Okay, lepas tu kamu cuba jawab game ni. Senang saja dia tanya kamu ada kat mana? Ada gambar dan kamu pilih je jawapan dia yang betul. Okay? Nanti saya akan bagi link dekat WhatsApp. Okay? Baiklah, untuk hari Selasa, kamu kena tengok buku teks kamu, muka surat 76 dan 77. Kemudian kamu kena buat buku kerja kamu, muka surat 60. Okay? Kita tengok apa benda yang kita nak belajar. Okay, kelas. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang beberapa vocabulary baru dan juga grammar baru. Okay, mari kita baca dulu. Smart kids. Scary, maksud dia takut ataupun menakutkan. Okay. Funny, maksud dia lucu. Okay. Boring, maksud dia bosan. Delicious, maksud dia sedap. Popcorn, popcorn kalau kita tengok wayang, kita makan popcorn. Dalam bahasa Melayu dia kita panggil bertih jagung. Kita baca. Listen and read. Last night, Greg, Anna and Emma were at the cinema with Anna's dad. Okay. After the film at Anna's house, hello, were you at the shopping center? No, we weren't. We were at the cinema. Was the film good? Yes, it was really funny. It was boring. No, it wasn't. It was scary. That was delicious. Anna, the film was delicious. No, the popcorn was. Anna was hungry. Okay, maksud dia semalam Greg, Anna dengan Emma pergi panggung wayang dengan ayah Anna. Okay, lepas dah tonton filem tu, mereka pun balik pergi rumah Anna. Okay, lepas tu mak Anna ni tanya, kamu pergi mana? Dekat shopping kompleks ke? Pusat beli belah ke? Taklah, dia cakap kami pergi panggung wayang. Lepas tu mak dia tanya, seronok ke filem tu? Lepas tu Greg jawab, dia sangat funny, lucu, lawak. Lepas tu ayah Anna jawab, boring, bosan. Seorang lagi pula terjawab, Emma pula jawab, taklah, dia takut. Tiba-tiba Anna cakap, sedapnya. Lepas tu mak dia tanya, sedap? Filem tu kan yang sedap? Taklah mak, popcorn ni yang sedap. Lepas tu ayah Anna pun jawab, Anna sebenarnya lapar. Okay, apa yang kita nak belajar tentang apa yang kamu baca ni? Kita tengok slide seterusnya. Okey, kalau kamu perasan lah, perasan dalam benda yang kita baca tadi, kita ada jumpa perkataan was dan were. Okey, sebenarnya was dengan were ni singkatan was dengan were ni perkataan yang kita guna untuk merujuk benda yang kita dah buat. Maksud dia semalam, tahun lepas, kemarin, hari Selasa lepas, yang dah lepas-lepas. Okey, was tu ialah past tense bagi is. Okay, was ni kita gunakan untuk satu, seorang. Okay, kalau were pula kita gunakan untuk ramai. Okay, ingat lah, was dengan were ni ialah is dan are. Cuma kita gunakan dia bila kita merujuk benda yang kita dah buat. Yang lepas-lepas. Okay, contoh dia macam ni. Okey, baiklah. Tadi teacher kata was dengan were kita guna untuk nak merujuk benda yang kita buat yang lepas. Okey, ingat tak is dengan isn't? Are dengan aren't. Samalah. Cuma ini was tu kalau dia buat. Was not kalau dia tak buat. Atau singkatan bagi was not ialah wasn't. Okey. Were kita gunakan untuk ramai kalau dia buat. Dah buat. Kalau dia tak buat, kita guna were not ataupun weren't. Okey? Okey, contoh dia. Tadi teacher cakap wasn't kita guna untuk seorang. Was kalau dia seorang dan benda tu dah lepas. Wasn't dia tak buat dan benda tu dah lepas. Okey, contoh I, it, he, she, Leona, Neville, my father, seorang kan? Contohnya macam si comel, si kontot, si comot, seorang kan? Kita kalau dia buat kita guna was. Kalau dia tak buat kita guna wasn't. Okey. They, you, we, my brother and I, Fabiana and Syaira, maknanya dia lebih daripada satu. They maksud dia mereka, you tu kamu, we maksud dia kita. My brother and I maksudnya abang saya dan saya. Fabiana and Syaira, ada dua orang kan? Jadi lebih daripada satu kita guna were kalau dia buat. Kalau dia tak buat kita guna weren't. Okey, ni contoh dia. Was she at the cinema yesterday? Kenapa dia guna was she? Dia tak guna is she. Sebab ada perkataan yesterday. Yesterday tu maksud dia semalam atau kemarin. Okey, bila benda tu dah semalam atau kemarin kita guna was. Kita tengok tu dia guna was she. Sebab she kan seorang, dia guna was. Kalau dia ada dekat panggung wayang semalam, yes, she was. Ya, betul dia ada kat panggung wayang semalam. Kalau dia tak ada, kita jawab no, she wasn't. Maknanya, tak adalah, dia tak ada. Okay? Okay, seterusnya. Were they at the cinema yesterday? Okay, kenapa dia guna they? Kenapa dia guna were? Sebab dia they. Dia itu mereka. Yesterday, maksud dia semalam. Okay, maknanya benda tu dah berlaku semalam. Jadi kita panggil dia past tense. Okay, were they at the cinema yesterday? Yes, they were. Ya, betul. Mereka ada dekat panggung wayang semalam. Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Tak adalah, mereka tak ada. Jadi, no, they weren't kalau mereka tak ada. Yes, they were. Maknanya mereka ada. Okey. Untuk muka surat 60, teacher nak kamu jawab nombor 2. Okey, nombor 2 dan nombor 3. Okey. Nombor 1 teacher tunjuk kat kamu. Paul and John ... at the pet shop yesterday. Yesterday maksudnya semalam. Paul and John, berapa orang? 2 orang. Kalau 2 orang kita guna was ke were? Kita guna were. Paul and John were at the pet shop yesterday. Okay, jadi teacher nak kamu buat yang lain. Okay, nombor 2 pula. Dia kata, read and think the correct pictures. Maksudnya, baca dan tandakan gambar yang betul. Okay, kita tengok. Yesterday morning, Kim was at home. In the afternoon, she was at the park with her friend. And in the evening, she was at the cinema. Okay, yesterday morning, Kim was at home. Okay, mana satu gambar dia? Nombor 1 ke nombor 2? Morning, mestilah ada matahari. Kalau gambar satu lagi tu malam kan? Jadi nombor 2 tu jawapan dia, kamu tik. Okay, baca lagi yang seterusnya dan kamu tandakan betul dekat dia punya gambar. Okay, kelas. Ini ialah kerja kamu pada hari Khamis. Tadi teacher salah tulis. Okey, hari Khamis kamu kena tengok buku kerja kamu muka surat 61. Okey, tengok muka surat 61 dan teacher nak kamu tuliskan jawapan yang betul berdasarkan gambar. Contohnya nombor 1, Greg was at the, tu apa benda kita panggil? At the apa? Cinema ke, teater ke, boleh tulis. Okay. Okay, nombor 2, read and circle, then look and match. Okay, tengok gambar, kalau ramai kita letak were, kalau seorang kita letak was. Kemudian kamu cari jawapan dia yang mana kat sebelah tu. Okay, selamat membuat. Good luck. Kalau tak tahu apa-apa, boleh tanya teacher. Okay.